Discovery lives at the heart of the human experience, inspiring us, connecting us, moving us forward. In a world that pushes us to go further and faster, we've reached a moment where the pace of discovery is overwhelming. The human element is getting lost. To continue creating, innovating, and driving human progress, we must be able to build workplace cultures that inspire discovery. And it starts with reconnecting to ourselves and to each other. We are everything DiSC, and we believe an organization's true potential lies within its people. We believe in a workplace culture that embraces the power of our diverse strengths and styles. We believe that when we enable authentic human connections, something powerful happens. We unlock our potential and reconnect to our real selves. We find genuine appreciation of others and take on new perspectives. We build more collaborative cultures, one interaction at a time. We are everything DiSC. Discover the power of we.